I opened my door this morning and look, Kevin left me a flower. That's beautiful, honey. Thanks, Kevin.
You're welcome, honey.
That's so romantic.
Good morning, honey. I just thought it was interesting, a pretty flower. They were up in the trees. So some nice tree is blossoming there.
Nice. Thanks. Very sweet. Look how pretty. We don't know what it is. If you know, please let us know. We're more familiar with tropical plants. Gorgeous. So, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. We're heading to Alabama today. That's us at the end. And look, lots of spots still. It is just about 6:20 a.m. Good morning from Rend Lake, Illinois. Beautiful rest stop. I found the tree, the flower that Kevin brought me. Ah. We are glad you're here. If you enjoy the video at any point, please do give it that thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. So we're going to have a nice morning ride. We're going to get into Kentucky, Tennessee, and then some serious mayhem at a Love's travel stop. So be sure to watch to the end, and yeah, be sure to watch tomorrow's video too, because, oh boy, it's not going to go as smooth as we thought it would. Anyway, enjoy the video. Let's go.
Look how big. Oh, yeah, it's bigger than the mist. Hey?
Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful Ohio River. Wow-wee. And welcome to Kentucky. And don't mind us just heading through on our way to Tennessee. No, Alabama. Right, yeah. Going through Tennessee to Alabama. So 4 states for us today: Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama. That's the plan, and we're gonna do all of that before noon. One of my favorite sayings is, if you want to make God laugh, tell him your plans. That's what we just did. Oh, I can already hear the laughter. Tennessee River, land between the lakes. So we're in Kentucky, and here's the way station, and they just had a big sign up advertising it as a 24/7 truck haven. Come and rest yourself here at the way station. That's really nice of them. Tennessee. Look at that! Wow! That was nice the way that just popped up on the horizon. Cool. And look at the Batman building.
The traffic jam starting. Everybody on the brakes.
And so you can truly enjoy the view.
That's probably it. Pause here for the scenery.
Pause here to take a selfie. Ramp partially closed, 24 east and exit 48, 2 miles ahead.
Exit right, then turn left.
Nice. Oh, are you going off here? It says 65 further up ahead. Is this what the buzz is?
Yeah.
Turn left, then turn left.
That was lucky.
It's good.
Turn left.
This is tight.
Yeah. I didn't see the love beacon. Where is it?
The other side of the bridge. Is that a turning lane too? I think I could have turned from there. That's going to be really tight. Really tight. Well marked at all.
Well, it's a solid line. Yeah, it's not a turning lane. You're in the turning lane. Historic Talbot's Corner, Thomas Talbot. Well done. There it is.
Right.
I didn't see, they don't have a tall sign. Usually they have those tall signs.
Nasty entry here, I'll tell you. We gotta get through that to get back on the highway.
Yeah.
Turn right.
Well, there comes another Crete Schaefer. This is where they're sending us. Where is the truck entrance? Oh,
There's the fuel lane. I couldn't get in there.
uh-oh.
Really sucks. Really sucks.
Yeah.
Turn right.
He's saying hand up.
End up like, how you gonna
Yeah,
make that fucking
yeah.
turn, buddy?
Yep, we know. There was no sign.
No way in. This is a really bad lows. Mark this down. I'm never coming to this lows again.
Okay. I didn't see a sign. Maybe because that truck was in the way coming out.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
And now you're like the salmon against the stream.
Yeah, it's a total jam up. How's that guy getting out? This place doesn't work.
No. Well, it would work, I guess, if you'd come in on the other side, but I didn't see a sign.
How do you get out then?
Out this way where everybody is coming out.
So can I get past the school bus then?
No, I think you're gonna have to wait and go in, try to get to the parking. So the Pam and the Apskoraka have to get out. So just sit here for a moment. Okay.
Turn left, then turn right.
So if you come this way, be sure to come in that first entrance.
More crates here. Lots of them.
Yeah.
What's the deal with this?
See, needed to have come in right there, but there was a different, yeah, but it wasn't even an 18-wheeler, so you couldn't tell until it was too late. But you did well, honey bun. You did it. Mayhem. So you could come again now that you know how to interpret the layout. All right. Gotta go, everyone. Be right back. So we double checked the video footage and definitely we did not see a sign. Do you? If you want to go back and check, let us know. The entrance was where that white box truck was sitting. Anyway, now we know, and you know, if you want to go to that Love's, how you need to come in to avoid the mayhem that we encountered. All right, so that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Put your comments and questions below. And yeah, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. But most importantly, stick around, come back for the next video, because guess what? It's not gonna go as smoothly as we had hoped. So have a great day. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.